Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to paraphrase using ChatGPT. So first you have to go to chat.openai.com, and once you're in this box you can just ask it to paraphrase. So first I'm going to make it write a 100-word essay. Alright, so now you can just ask it to paraphrase. So I'm just going to tell it to paraphrase it for me. So as you can see, it has done that successfully. Now you can do all sorts of things, like expanding it or shortening the essay. So let's do that. So yeah, that is how you can paraphrase using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.